Saturday, June 27th, and the airboat's out of the shop, and Peter came by for a visit. The reason he's by is it's Dad's 84th birthday today. So I guess he had some company here this morning. How's Peter doing?
Good, thanks.
Good. Now working on the Bombardier here today. They just got into the shop after working on the airboat outside. So right now, it's getting hotter out there. But Aiden and Dad are doing a little inside work right now. This spot is cleared right out. And I just finished cutting grass outside for the last 2.5 hours. And had to split it up. But looking a little better around here. I could do more. Anyways, got the airboat running there yesterday. And they had a bit more tweaking to do. And then they tested out something else around here, I think, with the engine earlier. But too hot to work outside. Dad's 84th birthday too, so he didn't want to screw around too much. So they moved inside and they're busy grinding away here. I don't know what they're doing. Looks like they might be making a new bumper or something. Or is this for the green Bombardier?
No, this is for Hopper's Ice Shack.
Oh, Hopper's Ice Shack. Okay. And yeah, so no work on the Bombardier, and we're just waiting on more guys to show up. And there's Rosington. He just showed up behind me. Dad's good buddy, Ray Rosington. Let's take a look at what he's got here. Look at that.
Check it out.
Happy birthday, Gary. 84 today. Well-earned respect. That is fantastic. We're going to dig into some cake here right away and pull that away from what he's doing. And how was the trip? Good? Yeah? Okay, good. So, I gotta let Dad know. I don't know if you realize that Rosington's here, but go and grab him and then maybe some cake and a wet. So, this is Dad's cake. His good buddy Ray Rosington got him a cake here. He gussied it up with AI. What do you think, Dad?
Well, for friends like this, you gotta stop. Aiden!
Yeah. And Peter bought Dad a bottle of whiskey, I think, or something.
Holy shit, Ray
So-
bought one of these and he hasn't done much damage on
Yeah,
it.
so we're just going to get Aiden to come down, sit down so they can all enjoy a piece of cake here. Anyways, these guys are going to have a wet here first, and then they're digging into the cake.
Are you gonna have a
Oh, I'm good right now. Yeah. So, kind of an early day here, a little after 3. My sister and my niece just left, and these guys are just bullshitting here. That's what it's about when you're 84, is just having your buddies come by and bullshit. These guys are doing their end-of-day treats in the shop because it's way cooler inside. Too friggin' hot outside. Eat your treats inside. Hey, baby. I mean, the cat wants to stay in.